What's going on, guys? Eric here again. Just wanted to do a quick video here. What it is, April 1st, April Fool's Day. But ACY was no joke today for sure. So yeah, just want to recap this video here. It's going to be touching over bounce play in particular because this was an alert that was called out in the chat room. And I know a few of you guys had questions about it or don't really know about it, of course, since you're all new. So I wanted to kind of cover, the bounce play and what it actually is and, things like that. Just to kind of give you guys a little bit more insight of being able to recognize it, on your own. And, that way you can kind of have an idea of how you're going to, strategize towards it if you decide to, play that type of strategy and whatnot. So this video here will recap that for you, just to give you a better idea. And the reason why I wanted to do this, well, one, a couple people in the chat room messaged me and asked me to do it. And I did see a lot of you guys had questions about it, so I figured I'd do that for you real quick. But also I'll put this, out there for you guys to be able to review when you need to. But also too, for some strange reason, I'm surprised that I didn't see this out there on YouTube anywhere. I was searching, instead of me having to make a video, I was hoping that there was one already out there covering a bounce play. And the ones that I seen from, all the well-known traders out there, even lesser-known traders, were either incorrect or didn't cover it at all. One was kind of close, but it was like on a massively long time frame. Which was strange to me. I mean, I remember reading about this in a book, the bounce play, but I'm surprised that no YouTube Euro, even the ones that I recommended to you guys in other video, covered this. Or maybe they do, and they just have it in like paid courses, which I mean, I guess is fine, but still, that's amazing that it's not out there. So I guess this will be, one of the ones that will be out there, for those of you who want to know about it. But you know, what we're going to cover here is the bounce play I called out with ACY. And go into that. That thing was a monster when I made a couple grand on that thing today here. Played that stock like 4 times. At one point I was up at like 84%. But anyways, guys, we'll go into that here in a second. But yeah, let's just kind of recap what a bounce play is. And just more details about that so that you guys can have a better understanding of it. And we'll go from there. Okay. So let's get started. Um, First and foremost, let's kind of identify what a bounce play is, what a true bounce play is, because listening, watching some of those videos that were out there, and you know, trying to hear those guys explain what it is, they were either way off base of what a bounce play really is, or some of them are mixing up a bounce play with other type of plays like a dip play, and that's not what it is. A bounce play is a bounce play. I've seen some gurus or so-called, experts explaining a dip and the stock going in between, still rising but going in between, time frames, saying, oh, this is a bounce play, when it's not a bounce play. You're actually just buying a dip on a stock that's trending up. So let's get into the nitty gritty and the real idea of what a bounce play is. Okay. So